So I've just got this HOOBRO haul tree. I've just put the thing together here, and I'll show you how it looks, what my first impressions are. So it's actually really sturdy. You can never tell, sometimes these self-assembly things are a bit sort of flimsy, but it is really good. It's easy enough to put together. It took me about an hour. The instructions are very easy to follow, and all the parts are labeled, so you know it's pretty hard to get lost. It's easy to follow. It consists of these 3 shelves for shoes, slightly larger vertical gap on that one, so that's going to be good for boots, whatever. The drawers are quite interesting. They look actually like they're going to be solid wooden drawers almost, but they're actually just these kind of collapsible soft drawers. So do bear that in mind. It's not going to be a place to put anything heavy, but for gloves, hats, and any light bits and bobs, they're going to be absolutely fine. The finish on the wood looks good, you know, that's decent quality. This consists of a couple of different bits that just screw together, so it's very easy. It does come with a sort of little multi-tool, okay, a little Allen key and a screwdriver, which you can certainly do the whole thing with if you don't have any of your own tools, particularly here where you have to screw these into here. I found the screwdriver bit really not adequate to really get on and get weight on that, so I resort to using my own screwdriver. I would have managed with the tool, but it would have taken longer and been a lot more fiddly, and indeed you could speed up even further with some power tools. I've just noticed I need to tighten this up a little bit, but the screws here are really, these ones that I'm doing now are really long, really thick, so they're really solid. That's reassuring that these hangers are going to actually take a lot of weight. You're going to be able to put all your coats on there without the thing falling apart, so that's really good. As I said, all the parts are labelled with stickers which don't come off very easily, so that's a bit annoying. That's a job for later, but that is the most minor of drawbacks. My general impression is this is a good bit of kit. It's really nicely well made, well put together. As I said, easy to install. More than happy to recommend it. Go and grab one.